Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, bond pricing principle, premium bonds. If a coupon bond has a price higher than its face value, its yield to maturity is less than its current yield, which in turn is less than its coupon rate. For a premium bond, yield to maturity is less than current yield, less than the coupon rate. Now, let us consider a bond with a 4% coupon rate maturing in 2 years and 10 years. The price is $9.50. Since the price is below the new face value of the bond, we can call it a discount bond. Note, it is not a pure discount bond since it does pay a coupon. What is its yield? As in the previous case of a premium bond, we can compute the two different yields, the current yield and the yield to maturity. The current yield equals coupon divided by price. 40 divided by 950 equals 421. The current yield understates the true yield in the case of the discount bond because it ignores the fact that at maturity, you will receive more than you paid for the bond. When the bond matures, you'll receive a $1,000 face value, not the $950 that you paid for it. The yield to maturity takes account all the cash payments that you will receive from purchasing the bond, including the face value at $1,000 maturity. Bond pricing, discount bonds. If a coupon bond has a price lower than its face value, its current yield is greater than its current yield, which is in turn greater than its coupon rate. For discount bonds, yield to maturity is greater than the current yield, which is greater than the coupon rate. The current bond price is $9.50 and the number of years remaining is 6 years. And keep in mind, there's more than one way to do this. But what we're doing is we're going to use this equation shown right here. What we're going to do is, this is trial and error. You can put whatever number you want in there. And our goal is to get this to equal to 950. If you just massage this number, you're going to see it's 949.93. And that equates to 11.19 yield to maturity. If you need to work through this, here is the 950, and we're discounting this back to 10%. Then if you add up these cash flows, you're going to see that it adds up to 1,000. Sum D44 here, D44, do sum D50, the D50. How does this come into play? We're going to use the rate function and determine the yield to maturity. Here we have E49, which is going to be term, which is 6. Then we have C44, which is going to be the 100. D43 is the 950. And our yield to maturity is going to be 11.19. Here we just have this 1,000, which is the sum of this data here. And over here is just a second example, 4% bond maturing in 2 years. And we're going to follow the exact same format. We have a yield to maturity of 6.76. We're just taking off from this first example right here. And then lastly, if we need to determine the yield to maturity, here's the cash flow equals 950. It's 11.19. Just review this, reread it. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance.